Hello, my name is Shutipong Lepusakit. Today I will test the circuit in Breadboard with vector test in text 2. And first, I'll start at clock 0. Clock 0 is not input. And next is clock 1 input in button 0. And next clock is input 1 and 3 together. And next is input 5, and next is clock 5 is not placed any button, and clock 6 is input 0, clock 7 still input 0, and clock 8 is not placed the button, and clock 9 is place 0 button, and clock 10 is release the button. Next clock is clock 11 is input in a button, and next is release the button, and last clock is input in button 1. The door is open. Thank you.